Hello, everybody. I want to first ask a question. What is the precious thing all around the world for a human being? It's a new human being life. And the new human being life must be healthy. Palate cleft deformation is not a healthy state of a newborn infant. It's a state when the newborn infant has a hole inside his palate. It's a bone up. If you try now to move your tongue up your mouth and try to imagine that you can put a finger inside and everything can go through water, milk, salinas, food, everything can go through the nasal cavity. It's very awful imagination. What do we do to prevent 3 very big walls which palate cleft brings? The first one, mother cannot breastfeed the child immediately after delivery. The second one is that the child has to undergo very awful impression method when the doctor is pulling him inside his mouth, something like gummy, smashy thing, and he can also put it inside his esophagus. And the conventional device is very late and unprecise. What I've done started before 2 years when I have a conversation with my very good friend, incredible gynecologist, Martin Juhas. He told me we have to do something for these kids. So we did. We made a personalized implant removable device, which is made by 3D printing. It's anatomical. It's made before delivery. We obtained data before delivery from the 13 to 38 week. And then we produced an implant, which you can see with a bioorganic design, with silicone coating. It's not irritating. It's very specific for the child. Thank you very much.
How does it grow with the child?
We have to do four more till the operation, till the intervention is done.
Any more questions? Thank you very much. That was incredible. Thank you.